Hello, in this Togile demo, we'll guide you through building a fully customized report, complete with filters, dimensions, metrics, and chart visualizations. Commence by clicking Reports from the sidebar. Then click Create Report. Click Entity Type dropdown. Select Entity, AG Leads. Click Date Filter. Select a date field. Click on Date Range. Choose a value or custom range. Then click on Dimension. Click Add if you want to include multiple dimensions. Now click the Metric dropdown. Click the Role dropdown. After, click on Filters. Select a filter field. Select the filter condition like equals or contains. Click Preview. Then click on Scroll Area. Click Chart View dropdown. And select your preferred chart type, like bar, line, or pie. This is your visual chart representation. Click on Pencil icon. You can rename the report if needed by clicking on the name. Once done, click on Save. Finally, click on your saved report from the list to view it anytime. And that's how easy it is to create, customize, and visualize reports in Togile, giving you actionable insights in just a few clicks. Analyze smarter, act faster. Powered by Togile CRM.